Hello, members of the community. Today, we want to address the concept of state-national, a topic that is increasingly being discussed. At Essentia Legis, we strive to provide you with accurate and practical legal information. While this idea may seem appealing to some, it is essential to understand the legal reality. The status of state-national is a concept that has been gaining popularity in recent years, but it's important to understand that this status is not a magical solution for all legal issues. This status often has little practical value when it comes to public matters where a bond has been created. Take, for example, a divorce between two state nationals. Suppose the mother doesn't want to cooperate with an agreement with the father. In that case, she can bring the case, including issues concerning the children, into the public sphere. The father then has no choice but to settle the case publicly, regardless of his status. Another example is if you've just assumed the state-national status, it doesn't mean that your ongoing public matters suddenly disappear. You'll still have to handle these matters in the public domain, regardless of your new status. Yet another example is when traveling as a state national and transporting an unaware citizen. If the police conduct a check and the person you're traveling with verbally gives verbal jurisdiction by mentioning an address, you will be forced to comply with territorial jurisdiction and you will be held accountable for not driving with a license, and so on. It all revolves around jurisdiction. Once a case has been brought into the public domain and there was, or is, given, territorial jurisdiction over persons, the court has authority. You can't simply escape this jurisdiction by calling yourself a state national without acting accordingly. In conclusion, Essentia Legis wants to emphasize that while the concept of state-national is interesting, it is not a cure-all for all legal challenges. For further questions or tailored advice, don't hesitate to contact us. Let's work together on the best legal strategy for your situation and see you all next time.